Most people think they know English until they use one of these words in the wrong situation. Today, I'll show you 4 common English words that can instantly change how intelligent you sound if you use them correctly. If you learn these 4 English words today, you'll start sounding smarter without even trying. And yes, one of them is often used incorrectly. So let's start. Word 1 is obnoxious. Someone who is very annoying, loud, or rude, and doesn't care about others. Think of a person who talks loudly, interrupts everyone, and thinks they're always right. Example: he was being obnoxious during the meeting, so everyone stayed quiet. It's asteriskal confidence without manners. Word 2 is crouch. Crouch means to bend down low, usually with knees bent. Think of sitting halfway but not fully. Example: the cat crouched before jumping on the table. Word 3 is redundancy. When something is repeated more than necessary or no longer needed. Think of saying the same thing again and again. Example: repeating the same idea caused redundancy in her essay. And today's last word is audacity. Being shockingly bold or rude asterisk, often crossing limits. Think of someone doing something that makes you think, how dare they? Example: he had the audacity to blame others for his own mistake. Audacity always comes with surprise or disbelief. If English vocabulary feels hard, you're learning it the wrong way. So make sure you subscribe Slow English Podcast to learn English in lighter way. I'll come back next week with some amazing words. Now your assignment is to make at least one sentence of each word in the comments section. See you there.